In today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at how to make money declaration or cash declaration compulsory on the SR-S and SR-C range of Casio cash registers. So the 500 that's shown in this video here, the 4000 and the two SR-C models, the 550 and 4500. The program is the same on all four registers. So cash declaration is where you count up physical cash in the drawer and tell the till how much money you've got before you run your Z report. And the idea is it's a bit of a security feature so that whoever's running the Z report can't basically steal any money, because they've got to declare the money before they know how much is there. You can do this on the till as standard. I've got another video showing you how to do it, but it's not compulsory. So this programming is going to make it compulsory. Just a couple of disclaimers I should run through before I show you how to do it. The first is it's cash only. So this is nothing to do, if you take payment, as you probably do by other method of payment, then you cannot enter these into the till. This is purely for the cash, and the theory is that obviously the cash is more stealable than other method of payments. Second thing is I'd point out is this isn't covered in the standard user manual, so it's kind of dealer programming really. There's a couple of problems with that. You're going off exactly what I say, so you've got to copy what I do. There's no bit of the manual you can look at to question what I'm doing. And that's significant because when you program these sorts of cash registers, it's rare that you only ever edit one setting. The way we run this sort of program, to make it possible to program them in a reasonable amount of time, you're often editing a lot of settings at the same time. So in order to edit the cash declaration setting and make it compulsory, you also have to say yes or no to a lot of other settings. Watch the video, it'll make more sense, but obviously just bear in mind that if I don't know exactly how your business is being set up or what you want your register to do, so I've gone with what I would consider the most useful or standard type of programming for the various settings. So there's that to bear in mind as well. The other thing is obviously watch the video all the way through, understand what I'm trying to achieve or do, and make sure that it's suitable for you. Is this right for your business? But I'll also do a video showing you how to undo it. So if you decide that compulsory cash declaration isn't working on your register, there'll be another video that will show you how to deactivate it so you can just go back to normal. So okay, there are my disclaimers. So I'll now show you how to do the program. The first thing to do is turn the key around to the PGM position, and then we arrow down to system setting, cash amount 10 to enter, and then this flowchart is basically what I'm putting into the till. So it's free subtotal, and then 0622 subtotal. So that takes the till programming. It knows now what settings we're looking at, and the next digits we enter, we're basically saying yes or no to different functions. So the first four I put in is telling the till that we want to make the cash declaration compulsory. Each of those there's 9 more digits there, they're all saying yes or no to various settings, but I haven't got the time to go into what each one means. The 4 there allows the post receipt function, so bizarrely on these machines a standard post receipt isn't activated. The 4 there tells the till that you want it to be activated, and I've gone for 5 zeros to finish with, and then it's cash followed by subtotal. We get the normal receipt printout confirming that the programming's been successful. So we now turn the key back to the reg mode. If I just pop through a quick sale, £10 cash into department 1, and then if I turn the key to either the X or the Z mode, I should get a warning telling me to perform the money declaration. So I've made the feature compulsory. So now, just for the purposes of this demonstration, I would enter the money. So I've counted my till takings, I've gone into my till drawer, there's £10 in there. I type in 1000, it appears there. I press the hash key there and then run the report as normal. So my money declaration has now been made compulsory. like I say, check that that's exactly how you want your till to run, and if so, feel free to activate that. If you're not sure, you're not happy with doing it, I'd recommend either messaging us through YouTube or contacting your local Casio dealer for more information. Till dealers are experts. If you explain to them what your business is trying to achieve, they'll be able to advise what's appropriate and how to carry it out, or carry it out for you. Always turn the key back to reg. Like I said, there's other videos relating to this, how to deactivate, making it compulsory if you decide you don't like it. So you're welcome to check those videos out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.